Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. The ADA chart is currently in an overall corrective pullback still. We have seen some up and down movements here around this support area, which I can, to be honest, remove now. While the price has reacted 3 times to the 88.7 Fib level, it also got broken briefly, so I don't think this Fibonacci support area is too relevant. It's also not one that we focused on, but I had it on the chart just for info. What is more relevant is whether the bulls can finally start to break above resistance, for which I unfortunately don't have any evidence yet. It might happen today, it might happen tomorrow, but again, we will have to see if the market can break above the 50% retracement level here. Let me move that a little bit to the right at 71.4 cents. I mean, that's the key resistance level that you know already if you watched previous videos over the weekend and over the last few days. Idea was that we could easily go and test this level, or at least this area, which was tested already on Saturday, tested again on Monday, tested again today, without any break above. So we need to understand that at the moment, the rally from the Sunday low is only a 3-wave move up. So it's a corrective rally so far. And if we get 5 waves up, then it would be a potentially bullish signal. For now, a rally into resistance, testing some levels, isn't necessarily a very, very bullish signal, okay? It's just a rally into resistance, basically. We're testing a pivot. But I'm open to the idea that we could have bottomed. I mean, we're looking for only one more low anyway, potentially. But again, only as long as resistance holds. So if we get a break above resistance and the rally is even in 5 waves, that would be a signal that we've bottomed already, potentially in some kind of a B wave. Yeah, can still happen in this D wave. So we're at an interesting point. We're at an important point. Do I have a long trade setup or anything? Not really, unless you want to set maybe a stop below the 6th of May low or the 1st of June low. I mean, you can trade anything really, right? And I think most of this correction is likely done, but I cannot rule out another low at this point. It's still, I think, preferred as long as we stay below resistance. But as I said, a break above resistance could be a first signal a low is in. But then we need to be careful if the break above resistance is only in 3 waves. It's not yet bullish. We can easily just wait for the market to give us 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when we get 5 waves, well, that would be our signal that a low of sorts has actually formed. With only 3 waves up, not really, okay? So even in this C wave, we might get one more high, and it would not constitute 5 waves, because you might see it actually. We had here an A wave, which looked like 5 waves up, B wave pullback, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe one more high. Maybe we're going to test that level around 71.5 cents. But yeah, it really takes more than that to suggest that a low is in. It takes more than that to really suggest that the bulls are attempting an upside breakout. So today, the focus will be on that resistance area. It takes a break below the last swing low at 66.4 cents to suggest that the bears are leading here still, and that the 5th wave to the downside has started. Once we see evidence for that, I mean, we can define the target, because then only when we have a top in wave 4 actually. But I can already give you some indications where that next low might find support if we get it. And that would most likely be in the region around 61.4 to 63.6 cents maybe. Yeah. So that's at the moment what I'm tracking here. It's a corrective rally for now. It is not an upside impulse, I can tell you that. It might develop into one. For now, it's a 3-wave move up. That's the update on ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on X. If you're interested in additional updates and so on, check out our X profile, Morecryptoonline. It's got the golden check mark. Always need to repeat it. Please don't follow any other accounts with our logo. It's the Morecryptoonline account. It has the golden check mark. So any other accounts are typically a scam. And yeah, you can get additional updates here. You can ask questions. There's some behind the scenes content. Check it out. Also some mindset stuff, which is at least as important as the analysis. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.